XRP coin holder, if you watch this video, I am 100% sure you will get a very huge profit at the end of month. So kindly, there is a two reason, my friend, to price will dumps down in last 24 hours, my friend. If you know about this, my friend, so definitely it's, you can see here, this is just an only I am going to show you, my friend. This is in last 24 hours minus 3.14%. They will dumps down, and some holders are starting very huge mistake. They are starting selling. So remember to, if you are starting selling, you are 100% going to be lost. You cannot get a profit. But if you are starting holding, then remember, my brothers, to at the end of month, at the end of this month, they will give you a very huge profit. Let's see, my friends, to really the real the very huge explosion is coming soon or not, my brother. Please, my friends, before I start this video, I have a request for all of you to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. My friends, every coin will be moving upward after a very huge dump. So therefore, you can see here in the previous all days, you can see especially after the mid of month, this coin is very badly falls down. But after that, my friend, you can see from October 19, you can see they will starting moving upward. So October 20, October 21, you can see, my friend, they will completely on the profit. But after that, as you can see here, they will again starting fails down, as you can see here. So therefore, I will tell you, my friends, to don't starting selling, because this is temporary fail. So don't see this short dumps. Absolutely, after this dump, I am 100% sure they will get a very huge profit, huge jump. So therefore, if you know about this, my friends, to they will get a very huge profit. They will give you a very huge jump. So kindly don't starting selling, hold it. I am 100% sure to at the end of this month they will give you a very good profit. So see you next time, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, you will earn a lot of money from crypto if you follow our YouTube channel. So kindly subscribe and press bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.